guys, good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. How are you doing? I'm about to wash my hair. Today is a heavy filming day, so I went to Just Right yesterday to get this because the last time I wanted to film I ran out of shampoo. Very embarrassing. So today I'm going to be using this. By the way, like, I should have filmed BTS for you guys, but can't do that because I'm doing that for short form. So another day I'm going to do the BTS. So wish me luck. You guys, let me turn off the fan. The time is 7:51, almost 8 p.m. and I'm not done filming. I've been able to film 1, 2, 3, yeah, 2.5, because one is a BTS. So let's just say I've been able to film 3 videos. I low-key my first meal of the day, low-key, but I ate something before I started filming, so I'm just giving you an update because I feel tired. I know I sound tired. That's because I am tired. My hair came out well. Let me show you my hair. Look at my hair. The silk press is silk pressing. I filmed a silk press video, filmed a makeup video, filmed a what's it called, wash day video. That's 3. Actually filmed 4 videos. I was saying 3, actually 4. I'm about to film. I'm still going to film a hair night routine video. Then I'm still going to film what's it called, get on ready with me, which is going to be a story time. So I have 2 more videos, 2/3. Hopefully I can make the 3, but 2 is sure. I don't know, I'm hungry. Let me just eat my food. I'll give you an update when I'm done. I'm about to film video 5 of 7. So after this one there's 2 more. The time is 11:30ish or so. I don't know, but I'm about to kill it. But I said wish me luck. Well, I don't need your luck, okay? I need the miracle of God. Okay. Let me start. I'm procrastinating. Let me start. I'm writing my script and everything. Just need to sit down and start yapping. You got up by yourself. Yo. Bye. Y'all, it's 1:25 a.m. and I'm done. Why am I talking 1-1? It's a wrap. I'm not done with everything, I'm done with the one I came to film here. So there's still 2 more by my end of filming just one because I'm tired. and I'm hungry. It's 1:25 a.m. Today is Sunday. I'm not going to church. I'm going to join online service. I'm hungry. I might go get food. My phone has to charge, Sha. My phone has to charge, but my phone can be charging while I make that video, since I will know how to plug in my mic. It was that my mic that was making the battery go low, so I can't be charging my phone while I make the next video. The next video is a YouTube video. Yeah, I should probably eat. After eating, I will now film that video. I'm just so happy I have my phone, my storage. Let me bring it. This is what is making me so confident about filming up to 7 videos in a day in 24 hours. This, if I did not have this, my 128 gig iPhone storage cannot do shit. It would not even let me go 2 videos in. So I'm just so grateful. Anytime I look at this, I'm just like, God, you really did this for me. Like, I'm so privileged, I'm so blessed. Like, even if things are going wrong in my life, which nothing is going wrong in my life, thank God, but even if I have bad days, like, I just always like to remember that I'm actually blessed, if not for anything, for this, because I've screenshotted this for over a year now. Like, I've always wanted it, but then I'm just so grateful, Sha. So grateful. By the way, if you don't know what this is an iPhone storage flash drive. It's a 1 terabyte iPhone storage flash drive. So this is how I store my videos, to save storage, to clear storage, to be able to make more videos. Am I yapping? Am I saying things that you don't necessarily want to hear? Let me just go. I want to get food again because I need energy for the next video I want to make. I beg. Error does not exist. Testimony is my best my best time at testimony time. Jesus, I mean, my best time is testimony time.
Worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. I give you love. You are worthy to be praised.
Wake up early in the morning. Before your feet even hits the ground, you should be barefooted and don't talk to anyone. Then you begin to prophesy over yourself. Begin to speak the words of God over your destiny. I'll give you an example. I will prosper. The works of my hands are blessed. Everything I touch is blessed. My life is blessed. My business is blessed and will always prosper. Opportunities will always find me, always locate me. I am protected by God. I will always walk in good health. My destiny helpers are locating me and they will help me. My life is a blessing. My children are a blessing. My marriage is a blessing. I will never know lack. I will always prosper. I will attract wealth all the days of my life. I am favored by God. My destiny is connected to great people in Jesus' name. Speak upon your destiny. Speak upon your life. Do this every day and you will come back with a testimony.
Post every day.
Okay.
Consistency. Consistency is key.
Okay.
Why? Everyone thinks it's because it's how you crack the algorithm.
Yeah.
10%. The rest is because you have to show up for yourself every day.
Ooh, hold on. What do you mean by that?
Because if you are not consistent with yourself, who are you going to convince? Also, the more you post, the more chance of exposure you have.
Right.
You increase your chances of get exposure and reach the people that are actually interested in you. So you have to be noticeable.
Right.
This is the thing.
Okay. That's where what you're saying, you're working with your influencers 90% on their mindset because you prepare them for that.
Yes. When I tell you you have to shop every day for yourself, it's because you're a business. Businesses, they open every day. Okay, they don't close. Because me, as a business owner, yes, my employees, maybe they might be off on Saturday and Sunday, but I'm not. It's the same. So you cannot say, no, today I'm on leaves. You have to be ready to make your business go on.
Hi guys, today's photo shoot today for the March and April celebrants. I look homeless even when I'm at home. I'm gonna see one of these photos with you. It's in the alcohol.
All of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know they blow trees, so you know me lonely. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love has seen that way to me. I do the word of sinner. We are nobody in Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold that they bar? That's all the new shita. And then I really put it too far. In line was a shika.
Coffee gossip every night.
Instagram versus reality.
We are done, guys. We are done. I'm so tired. I need to.
Hi, ignore the state of the room. The room is so scattered. I feel so stressed. The time is 10 p.m. ish. I'm hungry, and I had a very, very stressful day. I went to make hair for someone. Ignore the state of my hair. How do I explain this? Why do I look like Sister Mary? Sha, the photo shoot is still ongoing, but me, I really retire because I'm tired. I was basically doing behind the scenes videos and stuff like that. I'm about to just go and find something to eat. I know what you cooked, but I don't like what you cooked. You cooked beans. I'm not a fan of beans. I don't like beans. But then I don't have any option. So looks like I might go find a way to consume the beans. I tie scarf because there is something under this scarf, like my hair, obviously. But then it is for a video. Like I did it before. The after should be what is on my hair, and I've not unwrapped it, and I don't want to unwrap it except in the video. And I've not done the video, which is why I'm still tying scarf, trying to cover it and protect it. Hopefully it comes out nice. If not, I'll be so mad at myself. I'm just basically talking things that no one is interested in. Let me just go retire for the night. Peace.